Good morning, precious children. Standard 8. Well, yes, from the last class, yes, you see this, children. 10. That is, we are now dealing with articles. Articles, which are the articles, children? It is a, an, and the. You know which are the articles. Which all places will you use articles? That is what teacher wants to tell you. Point number 10. In the last class, the previous class, we reached 9 points. Where all will you use articles? Now, note, this is the. We are dealing with the now. A and an is over. Now, 10th one. Are all of you concentrating? Have you opened your grammar textbooks? Take this page and see this. Note the use of the in the following. Sometimes we repeat the just to emphasize. See this? The more, the merrier. What's the meaning of the more, the merrier? The more, the merrier means so many people, a group of people means so much happiness. See, the more, the merrier. And then next is the nearer the church, the farther from God. Means you are staying close to the church doesn't mean that you are close to God. See, being close to God, it is something which you should feel in your heart. Just like that. See, that is explained here. The nearer the church, the farther from God. Okay, so these are sayings. The more, the merrier, the nearer the church, the farther from God. Farther means long distance. Okay, next, eggs are sold by the dozen. Eggs are sold. Will you say by a dozen? No, by the dozen. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Petrol is sold by the liter. Petrol, how will you measure petrol? In liters. Okay, so petrol is sold by the liter. Next is 11th point. 11th point, we say go to the cinema and the theatre. Go to the cinema. Note this, see? The. Okay? We say go to the cinema and the theatre. You will not say go to a cinema. Come, let's go to a cinema. No, you will say come, let's go to the cinema, and come, let's go to the theatre, not a theatre. Okay. So, I often, look at the example. I often go to the theatre, but I haven't been to the cinema for a long time. I often go to the theatre, but I haven't been to the cinema for a long time. See what is here? Look at the screen which teacher is sharing. Yes, I often go to the theatre, but I haven't been to the cinema for a long time. We usually say the radio, but television without the. Before television, you will not use the. Okay, let us find out. See this? I have the radio at home, but I have television at home. Just like that, okay? Next is point number 12. Note the use of the in the following expressions. On the one hand, see, on the one hand, to read in the original. On the other hand, to play the sitar. Here, the cannot be replaced with any other article. To speak the truth. If someone comes and tells you, say, it is difficult to speak a truth. Is the sentence correct? Correct the sentence. It is difficult to speak the truth is correct. Just like that. Now we move on to section G. Articles with proper nouns. Okay. Articles with proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of people. Names, special names of people. Your teacher's name, Marian, is a proper name. Your name is a proper name. Just like that. Okay. Articles with proper nouns. Proper nouns. As a rule, a proper noun does not need an article. Okay? See, a proper noun does not need an article at all. See this? Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a proper noun. See, Shakespeare is a proper noun. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Okay, so we'll use if teacher is saying like this. See, the Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Correct the sentence. See, teacher will give you to correct the sentence. The Shakespeare was a great dramatist. How will you write? You have to cut off the. And now it is correct. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Next comes Mumbai is a proper noun because it is a special, particular name of a place. So, Mumbai is the biggest city of India. Will you say the Mumbai? Will you say the Mumbai? No, do not use the before proper nouns. So, Mumbai is the biggest city of India. Now, next comes, now we are moving on to the next set. Okay, I am set. Are all of you ready? We resume the class now. However, if a proper noun, did you see that? Section G. However, if a proper noun is used like a common noun, it may need a, an, or the. See, it is used like a common noun. Look at that. See, a proper noun is sometimes used as a common noun, and then it will need a, an, or the with it. When you see the example, you will understand the explanation. We need a Gandhi to solve our problems. See, Gandhi is a proper noun. We are not supposed to use articles before a proper noun. We need a Gandhi to solve our problems. Why? Because Gandhi is here, used as a common noun. It represents a family. In the first sentence, see, a Gandhi means a man as wise or as great as Gandhi. So he represents, we need such a man. We need a Gandhi to solve our problems. That is how the article came here. Next one is, every team cannot have a Kapil Dev in it. Okay, every team cannot have a Kapil Dev in it. That means Kapil Dev stands for his caliber is mentioned here. Every team cannot have such a player as Kapil Dev in it. See, that is what is meant. So, a Kapil Dev. Okay, it is not, here Kapil Dev is not a proper noun. It is used as a common noun. So, a Kapil Dev, an article comes before Kapil Dev. And Sachin Tendulkar is the Bradman of India. Sachin Tendulkar is the Bradman. So, the Bradman, see, you are not supposed to use before Bradman. You are not supposed to use, according to the rule, you are not supposed to use articles. But here, the is used. In the second sentence, a is used. In the first sentence, a is used. Why? Because Bradman means, look at the explanation. In the last sentence, a Bradman means a player of Bradman's ability. A player of Bradman's ability. So, see this, Sachin Tendulkar is the Bradman of India. Just like that, okay. Okay, next one. Section H, omission of articles. See, very important. See, we know where to use articles. But do you know, children of 8th standard? See, using articles, you have studied from the lower classes. But just think of this, omission of articles. Where all not to use articles? Let us find out. We normally do not use any article. Okay, see, which are the situations when we do not use any article? Come on. When a noun, first situation, when a noun is used in the general sense. When you are saying a noun in a general sense, man, See, man is mortal. That, you know, you will not use an article before man because man is used in the general sense. We are talking of man in the general sense here. So, when a noun is used in the general sense, please keep this in your mind. You will not say the man is mortal. You will say man is mortal. By the way, mortal means susceptible to death. So, man is mortal. Okay. Next, which is the next situation where you will not use articles? It is with nouns that name materials. Materials. What are materials, students? See, paper, cloth, then see, nylon, rayon. Okay, materials. Some different things. You know, gold, silver, all these are materials. So, with nouns that name materials, you will not use the or articles. Come on, articles are a, an and the. Okay. Paper has become very expensive. Paper is a material. So, you will not use any article before paper. Paper has become very expensive. She made a heavy investment in gold. If teacher tells you this sentence like this, she made a heavy investment in the gold. See, is the sentence correct? You correct that sentence. She made a heavy investment in gold. Yes, next one. But when these nouns are particularized, be very careful. See, you have to be very alert about small things. When these nouns, which are the nouns used here? The names of materials, paper, gold. When these nouns are particularized, we use the with them. Okay, we use the with them. When these nouns are particularized, we use the with them. The paper used in this book is of a superior quality. The paper used in this book, it is particularized. So, paper is particularized. Only about the book teacher is holding now, it is being said. So, you will use an article before it. The paper used in this book is of a superior quality. Next is, we will not use the, see, omission of articles. We will not use any article with plural nouns when they denote a class, when they denote a class. Children have a fertile imagination. Children have a fertile imagination. That, see, will you say the children have a fertile imagination? No. Animals can also be friendly. Will you say the animals can also be friendly? Wrong. You will say animals can also be friendly. Now teacher is going to take, see this? Now teacher is going to show you the next one. You will not use the with plural nouns. Okay? Okay. So, that teacher explained already. Next one is the or a, an or the is not used with the names of meals. With the names of meals. The meals taken are breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, you will not use any article before it. See this? She invited all her friends to lunch. See the names of meals. Look at this. The names of meals. And you will not use the with names of meals. She invited all her friends to the lunch is wrong. You will only say she invited all her friends to lunch. Next, dinner should be taken much before bedtime. How will you say that? Will you say the dinner? No. It is dinner should be taken much before bedtime. Next, with the names of diseases, malaria and typhoid. With the names of diseases like malaria and typhoid, you can say, see, you will not use articles. Malaria is no longer a killer disease. Will you say the malaria is no longer a killer disease? No, you will not say, but you will say malaria is no longer a killer disease. Next, quite a few children suffer from the mumps. Why? See, malaria and typhoid you will not use the, but with measles and mumps you have to use the. Note the difference. Quite a few children suffer from the mumps. Quite a few children suffer from the mumps. Quite a few children suffer from the measles. Just like that, okay? Now teacher is going to show you the next page, page number 5, okay? Page number 5 in your grammar textbook. You have to keep your grammar textbook near you. I will make you write the exercises now. So let us move on to the next page, that is page number 5. With languages and branches of knowledge. See, English, Hindi, history, mathematics. With all these branches of knowledge, you cannot use the. English means the English language. English means English language. Did you study English? What does that mean? The subject English. Okay. Did you study physics? Do not use the before physics. If I am saying, did you study the physics? Teacher is asking you. Is it correct? No. Did you study physics? Yes, just like that. You know it. English means the English language. The English means, but if you put an article before English, that means the English people. The English people. The Germans are friendly people. The English are doubtful. Just like that. English is the language of the English. Japanese is a difficult language. The Japanese, if you say the Japanese, it will mean something else. See, the Japanese are good people. It is different, but Japanese is a good language. See, just like that. Okay, next is 7th point, with the names of days, months and seasons. See, the names of days, months and seasons, when they are mentioned, this will come in the exercise part. So do not be, be very alert. Do not look here and there and sit. Look in your textbook and look at what teacher is sharing. See, 7th point. It is the 7th point is important. Let me take the pen. 7th point. See, with the names of days, months and seasons. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is the name of a day. So you will not say the Sunday is a holiday. You will say Sunday is a holiday. Our school is closed for summer vacation in June. Will you say our school is closed for summer vacation in the June? No. Our school is closed for summer vacation in June. Spring is a season of great rejoicing. That means, see, will you say the spring? Okay, so you will, the correct sentence is, spring is a season of great rejoicing. Next one is, see, look at point 8. You will not use the. You will not use the with these phrases. To go to bed. Will you say to go to the bed? No. See, to take place. Will you say to take the place? No. And see, just we will, let's form a sentence and then see. Okay, this had to take place. The disease all over the world, it had to take place. Will you say it had to take a place? No, had to take place. Take place means happen. To take care of, you will not say to take the care of. And to take to heart, to be at fault, from head to foot. Will you say from the head to the foot? No, from head to foot. Okay, to go to work. Will you say to go to the work? But many people make the mistake of saying, see, she has to go to the work. It's wrong. She has to go to work. Next is to take part in. To take the part in is wrong. To take part in. To make use of. To lose heart. Will you say to lose the heart? The boy lost, the boy is losing heart doing things monotonously. See, just like that. You will not say losing the heart or lose the heart. Say, out of doors. Let us go out of doors. Will you say, let us go out of the doors? No, it is, let us go out of doors. To set foot on. Will you say, to set the foot on? Have you heard something like this? So and so, set foot on the moon. It is correct. But if you say, see somebody, set the foot, will you say? No. Please do not add the before the nouns in this part. See, with these phrases. To go home, to take interest in, to take heart, to be in debt, at first sight. Will you say at the first sight? No. See, she fell in love at first sight. You will not say she fell in love at the first sight. At first sight, teacher understood that girl is a good girl. Just like that. You will not use the before first. And to take to task means punish. The principal took to task. Will you say took to the task? No. It is took to task or take to task someone. Next, 9. Point number 9. And with these phrases, by bus, will you use the in these phrases? No, you should not use the. See this? The should not be used before articles a and the should not be used before all this. Point number 9. With these phrases, will you add a and or the? By a bus. Will you say no? By bus. I go by bus. You should not say I go by a bus. It is I go by bus. Next, by hand. I did it, by hand. It is not like I did by a hand. On strike. The people in the factory, the workers are on strike. Will you say on the strike? No. At hand. It was, the book is close at hand. You will not say at the hand. By car. On foot. Okay, I come to school on foot. You will not say I come to school on the foot. In case, will you say in the case? No. In case she goes away. Just like that. Okay, you will not say in the case, in case. At last, don't say at the last. Okay, it's at last she surrendered. Just like that. By air and by mistake. By mistake, will you say, oh, there, see, I said that by mistake. You will not say I said that by a mistake or by the mistake. It is by mistake. In trouble, all day, by sea, on duty. Teacher is on duty now. Will you say teacher is on the duty now? No, wrong. You should say teacher is on duty now. At times, very few times. See, at times it rains in the morning. At times, you will not say at the times. Okay, all night. Teacher did not sleep all night. You will not say all the night. Teacher did not sleep all the night is wrong. Teacher did not sleep all night. Next, most of the children come to school by bus. I put your book in my bag by mistake. Now we move on to, see this? We move on to, see, with words like father, mother, uncle, because in a given situation, they are just like a proper noun. See, father, mother and uncle. In some situations, these words, father, mother, uncle, showing relation, they perform just like a proper noun. Father has just come from the office. See, do not use a, an or the. Check this. A, an or the. Articles should not be used. See, teacher is cutting off. Articles should not be used before father has just come from the office. You will say father. You will not say the father has just come from the office. You will say father has just come from the office. Mother has not been well since yesterday. The mother is wrong. Mother has not been well since yesterday. In headlines, See, you have to be careful about this. In headlines, if you listen closely, very well you will understand, okay? Otherwise, you will miss this. In headlines, notices, email messages, etc., you will not use the many times. See, President inaugurates trade fair. Haven't you seen newspaper, the titles in the newspaper? See, and the email messages, they are short. Articles sometimes not used at all. Where they should be used, they are not used. In headlines, headlines are short. Notices, the writings are short. You should not write an essay in a notice. And email messages are short. So, you will write, see, President inaugurates trade fair. Actually, it should be the President has inaugurated the trade fair. You will make it short by skipping the articles. Okay, it is okay to do that. Lost brown colored purse in playground. In the notice you are writing this. Will you write an essay like this? A brown colored purse has been lost in the playground? No. Next, come for interview 15th July. That is what is said in the interview card. Okay. But what that person means is the correct sentence is come, what you have, it's a proper one is come for an interview on the 15th of July. But when you are writing headlines, notices and email messages, do not use articles. Just say come for interview 15th July. Make it short. Okay. Now, see how the use. Can you see two cars parked here? Can you see? See how the use of, see this? See how the use or omission of an article changes the meaning. When you use an article, it is a different meaning. When you do not use an article, the sentence takes another meaning. The man is sitting in the front of the car. The man is sitting in the front of the car. That means, look at the picture. He is sitting, holding the drive. See, holding the steering. The man is sitting in the front of the car. But here, look at this. The man is sitting in front of the car, means outside. He is just sitting in front of the car. Okay? See the difference from the pictures. So, using an article, you should be very careful. Otherwise, it will change the meaning. Now, we move on to the last part. The textbook. In the textbook, page number 6. Children, in the textbook, it is page number 6. And I want to, yes, I think it is getting stuck. Okay, page number 6. Let me zoom it a bit. Yes, majority of the children here go to school. To school means you go there to study. To the school means you are going there sometimes to get a certificate, sometimes to see one of your friends or something like that. You are not studying there. The school. I went to the school to meet an old teacher of mine. Did you understand the difference? But the first one, the first sentence, majority of the children here go to school. Go to school means I study in that school. But I went to the school. If you use an article before school, then it means you are not studying there. You just went there for some purpose, other purpose. We use words like prison and hospital also in the same way. Next, the repetition of articles. After this, teacher has sent the notes of the exercises. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about all this. Now next one, the repetition of articles teacher is dealing with. Look at these sentences. I can see it's almost time. I have to finish now. Look at these sentences. I can see a white and a black cow grazing in the field. I'm going to ask you a question. How many cows are mentioned here? I can see a white cow and a black cow. Okay, and grazing in the field, okay, and two cows, one white and the other black. I can see a white and a black cow. A white and a black cow means there is only one cow, which is black and white, okay, or white and black. Okay, the director and the producer of the movie were not present. Two persons are mentioned here. the director of the movie and the producer of the movie. Check it, children. This is very important. Please mark it. See, this is very important, not from this online exam point of view, but from, you should know this. The director and the producer, there are two people here. The director of the movie and the producer of the movie. They are two different people. So, it is the verb is were. The director and the producer of the movie, they were not present. In the next sentence, the director and producer, the article is missing here. So, it reads, the director and producer of the movie was not present. So, there is only one person, the director and producer. Both are the same. There is only one person here. So, only one person who is both the director and the producer of the movie. So, check the verb. The director and producer of the movie was singular past tense, were plural past tense. Okay, did you understand that? Now, we move on to the exercise 1. A or an has been used with certain nouns in the following sentences. Rewrite these sentences, particularizing the nouns and replacing a or an with the. The policeman is standing at the door. A policeman is standing at the door because the policeman who nabbed the robbers is standing at the door. So you have to write like this. Soon we passed by a village. So a village is here. See, it is here given in italics. An almirah in the second sentence. A job, a student, a new house. So all this you have to particularize. How will you particularize? By putting the before the noun. See, the village. You will write the village. The village. What is the answer? Soon we passed by a village. The village looked scary. The village looked beautiful. Write down, looked beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So, this exercise you will get in the notes part. Don't worry about all this. You will get in the notes part. And then the next exercise you have to do. Yes, you see, based on what teacher taught, you have to do the next exercise. Exercise 2 is fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. So, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory, is a. See, you have to write here, is a union territory in the Bay of Bengal with, see, when you don't have any article, you will put an into mark. With Port Blair, this is, one second. With Port Blair as the capital. Okay, with Port Blair as the capital. So this is also over. Now teacher is moving on to the next one. See, all this is explained in the next in the notes. Okay, bye children. So it is time now. I have to wind up.